The candidacy of presidential aspirant Bongbong Marcos may run afoul of a tax case that is 2.5 decades old. Retired Senior Associate Justice Jacob Carpio says former Senator Bongbong Marcos could be disqualified from public office because he was convicted of tax evasion in 1995. Carpio says the regional trial court found Marcos guilty of failing to pay income taxes from 1982 to 1985, when he was still governor of Ilocos Norte.
Marcos Jr. has been convicted of non-payment of tax or non-filing of income tax returns.
Marcos was ordered to pay taxes and penalties and sentenced to 7 years in prison. The Court of Appeals upheld the conviction in 1997 but merely ordered him to pay the fines with no mention of jail time. Carpio says he found that curious since violations of the tax code required both a fine and imprisonment. Carpio says the conviction could be grounds for disqualification under the Omnibus Election Code since it could be considered a crime involving moral turpitude.
Moral turpitude is an act that is against accepted norms. It's considered to be some sort of vileness.
Carpio says missing 1 year may still be excusable, but missing 4 consecutive years of tax payment could make it intentional.
So, pag nakalimutan mo lang, it's not moral turpitude. Pero if you do it every year, mukhang ano na yan. It's now up to the court to decide. If you do it every year, that's really intentional already.
Carpio is considering filing a petition with the Commission on Elections to disqualify Marcos based on his conviction for tax evasion. But Carpio acknowledges that it would be up to the judgment of the COMELEC and Bank. Other candidates may also be inclined to file similar petitions, and Carpio says one should expect the case to reach the Supreme Court. One News tried to reach out to the Marcos camp to no avail. Mobile journalist Jacob Lazaro, we are One News.